Let's go.
Let's go. Hi.
Hi.
Right, okay, so what we decided to do is, because our YouTube is a bit behind, because we were like figuring out how to use the
the software. We're using Premiere Pro and we're trying to work it out, so we're a bit behind on YouTube of where we actually are in real life.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick update van tour for you, so you can see where we actually are in the build.
Yeah, and what you'll probably potentially see
In the
on
future.
videos that we'll be uploading. So we are trying to do 2 a week, aren't we?
Yeah, 2
just
a
to
week
try and get us up to date, and then we'll probably go down to 1,
Yeah.
depending on progress. So yeah.
Let's go have a look in the van.
Anyone who hasn't seen any of our other videos, I'm Elle, that's Phil. Said it wrong.
Hi.
And this is the 2016 VW Crafter that we bought in October last year, that we are converting into a camper van. Because our T5 before, it was too small, so we were talking about spending a load of money on it, were we?
We're going to
Get a pop top, get a heater fitted, but then we thought, do you know what, actually we want to be more comfortable overall. The van was only 2008, and so we thought we sold that and bought this.
We have the van. Look at them sexy wheels. Partly.
A sexy car.
Oh yeah, this is back. This has returned from its journey down to Brighton.
The unfixable Corrado.
The unfixable Corrado has returned.
So, should we start at the front, the back?
Should we start at the back?
Start at the back.
Doesn't matter really, does it? Because we just chop everything out, all the shit out.
Oh, I'm going to open that door anyway. Okay. This is our workshop.
Yeah.
There we go. So, where are we on the...
I believe on YouTube.
I just called it VideoTube.
VideoTube. I believe on VideoTube we have just battened it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're like really behind.
Really behind. It went really quick for a short period of time.
Yeah.
Lots happened really quickly. So.
Yeah. So, after getting all the internal bits done, we did the walls out, did the roof, did the floor. As you can see, started building our frames. So this is the bed frame, and this is our garage. At the moment, we've just received our gas tank, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we've also got a Truma heater back there.
Yeah, the Truma 4E heater, which is in that box over there.
Yeah.
The 30 litre gas tank and all the fittings and everything from Autogas 2000 in Thirsk.
And hopefully that's going to get... When do you say you're going to fit that?
I'm going to hopefully try and fit that tomorrow.
Yeah.
So long as it's not peeing it down with rain.
Yeah.
And
Is
in
that
there,
why I'm here?
yeah, this is a box full of worms.
Yeah.
Basically, it's got all our pipes, heater pipe, hot and cold water pipe.
And obviously,
stuff.
I'm back at work now, so
Yeah.
that's why a lot of things are behind as well.
That's right, yeah, 'cause it's hard for me to film and do at the same time. I'm
Yeah.
sort of struggling with it slightly, but
Yeah.
we're getting there, aren't
Okay, so bed frame, there we
we?
go.
Bed frame, very nice.
We just made, it's all been cut out, all the little air holes for the mattress.
Ventilation to go
Still
in.
needs like,
We need to
fitting
fix it
down.
down. We haven't fixed it down yet because we're still in and out of there, and I don't want
Yeah.
to be able. Don't want to have to. I want to be able to get through, should I say,
yeah.
to the top.
So these bits here, this first one is obviously going to have another lid. He's cut them. We're just waiting on some hinges.
Yep.
And that's going to be just like storage. Our phones are going to be in there, you know, just to charge them. That other one there is going to, you lift that up and it's like a laundry chute basically.
Yeah.
Underneath.
Yeah, you drop your pants through there, and into there there's going to be a laundry bag.
Yeah, we're going to figure out a way to
Mount it.
So I think that's pretty much it. Apart from our lino, which we've gone for bamboo effect.
Yeah,
Bamboo look.
Bamboo look. Oh, it's gone for me. Gone for a bamboo look lino.
All the way through. It was cheaper. Technically not,
but I can't resist a bargain. I don't like paying for carriage.
Yeah, so we were just going to do the front out, but it was what, £20 postage?
£20 postage, so it was 70 quid to do the front,
yeah.
and 20 quid postage, or 115 for us to do the whole thing with free postage.
Yeah, so Phil likes a bargain. Well, it's not necessarily a bargain, he just likes to get
best for money.
Best for his money, yeah.
That's it, yeah.
Other thing, obviously, we've decided to carpet the back doors purely because when you close them, you don't see any of the metalwork. We were going to clad it, but then we just thought we still had loads of this carpet left, and we just thought it'd be an easier option, didn't we? And
yeah,
I think
easier.
we actually prefer it.
Yeah.
We'll see how we get on. We can always
change it
in future. So let's go to the front and we'll have a look.
Have a look from the front, yeah. The screen goes up on it.
Yeah, I know you've got to press in it.
Yeah. The feels I'm just tapping it.
Okay. So this is how we are in the front. We have got pretty much the layout set, which is literally end of your bed there. These cabinets are from IKEA, and we ordered the carcasses in. There is another one of this size, but a bit wider to go here as well. We ordered these in purely so we could get the size and you know how it's all gonna work out and stuff like that. So we knew how big our bench was gonna be as well, because under there is gonna have our heater. That Truma heater is going to be under the seat, and the tank is going to be mounted underneath this area as well, and everything's just located in this area because basically that's going to do our heating and the oven, which is going to be in this unit, so everything is just right next to each other, you know?
Yeah, and then the hot water will go back to the sink, which is next to where he's stood now as well.
Yeah, the sink, oven's going to be in this cabinet, sink's going to be here, and the what oven we have in the Thetford
triplex oven, triplex. Yeah. And obviously the Truma heater, and the sink is an IKEA sink.
Yeah. So black. It's gone black. We have ordered. We've been waiting ages, haven't we, to order the doors and stuff that we're having because they're just IKEA have been closed due to COVID, and we've just been waiting online to get
a delivery slot.
And
for stock to arrive.
Yeah, basically we were even going, right, we'll just go get it instead, but then they were like, not all of it's in stock and your chosen time and all this sort of stuff, so we're like, oh bloody hell. So we just, luckily, what was it, a couple of days ago?
Yeah, a couple of days ago I looked and it was a Friday, yesterday.
Yeah.
And it was just all in stock, so we just ordered it.
Yeah, get it ordered. But it's not coming till the end of the month anyway.
Yeah, so we've got a bit of time.
So we've got a bit of time to get those. So next thing we need to do is we're getting a bamboo worktop purely because it's thinner and lighter. It's so much lighter, and we got a sample of it. It looks really, really good. I did actually go and weigh the van today.
Yeah.
Do you want to get the thing out?
Which is why the gas tank and the heater.
Yeah, that's why
everything's in the back of it. Normally that's all in the shed. But we got it weighed today, so we knew sort of roughly where we were. It's got just over half tank fuel. And it had you and the dog in it, didn't it? And then all the stuff. And it's 2,920 kilos, so just shy of 3 tonne, really.
As it stands now.
As it stands now. So really, we've got 580 kilos.
Yeah.
To go at. We're not having a massive water tank, so we don't need to worry about that, really.
Oh, I could even sit here, couldn't I?
Yeah. Not having.
It looks a bit rough because we don't have any edge trims on or anything like that. We're leaving that until everything, all the main stuff's done. Oh yeah, I forgot. We've gone for overhead storage as well. We haven't just made these out of MDF. We're going to have some edging put on here and just got that big one there above there, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, and then just like a little hatch at the end.
Yeah, it's going to have a panel on it.
Yeah.
To cover the gap.
I have my little shelf here. Just so, because this is the side of bed I sleep on.
Succulent shelf, basically.
Succulents. I do like my succulents.
The typical van plant shelf.
Yeah. Well, that's going to have one too.
2 plants.
Yes.
We've done the frame for that today.
That's what we. Oh, I've just kicked it.
God, you knackered it off.
That's what we've just been staying in the shed to match this. Basically, that's going to look like that. Same as the wood on the roof.
Oh God.
This is obviously the bench seat. I mean, this is just going to purely be storage. That, we didn't talk about that. This box here.
Oh yeah.
So this box is going to have a handle on the front. So you'll be able to pull it out, and it's sort of like got felt on the bottom of it, so you can just, doesn't damage the floor. And that's basically going to be 3 parts. It's first storage for the toilet. 2, it's a step up for us to get onto the bed.
Yep.
And 3, you'll be able to pull it out, chuck a cushion on it, and it'll be like another seat round the table. Because we're going to have a lagoon.
Sounding Scottish saying that.
Lagoon.
Is that how Scots say lagoon?
Yeah, balloon.
A lagoon table.
Lagoon. And we're going to get another off-cut piece of bamboo to have as our tabletop as well, and that's just going to move out of the way when we want it. It'd be extra storage, you know, like extra worktop space next to the oven, all that sort of stuff. Eh?
Blah blah blah. The other rest.
So I think that's pretty much where we are now. We still need to. I think at this point we're looking at the electrical system next, aren't we?
Yeah.
Once the gas tank's in, we need to save some moolah.
Yeah.
And get our fridge and our oven ordered, and then other than that it's just the electrical items. The people don't realise how much it costs to build a van.
We sort of knew but didn't know at the same time.
But it's going to be so good because we had a T5 beforehand, and whilst we love it and I actually do miss it, this is going to be so much better.
Much easier and everything, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's kind of good because we got a company to make the stuff in the T5, didn't we?
Yeah.
And this is all made by us.
Yeah, we've done everything.
So it feels a bit more.
Bar the windows, we've done everything.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah. Oh, this door. You've done this door, haven't you?
Oh yeah. Let's get in.
We've pretty much mimicked the.
What we did on there.
It's gonna go a bit dark.
So yeah, we've carpeted. I've had to make a panel for this piece because there wasn't one. We made a panel for that one and carpeted it, and then carpeted the bottom panel as well.
Yeah, we're just doing that for now and see how we get on. Because I mean, I don't particularly like the fact that there's all this, but I've got a friend of ours that does carpeting, and he says the best way to do it is actually have the door off, and we just don't have the facilities to do that right now. So this is this is the best solution for the time being. It isn't integral to the rest of the build, so why put the rest of the build off
for
when, you know, just to do that.
For door panels, yeah. When it looks alright, carpet.
It looks fine. It's acceptable.
That's it.
So
I think that's it.
And yeah, see how we get on.